Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's a look at your NBC3 weather forecast. And looking ahead today, we have winter storm warnings in effect for most of central New York and winter weather advisories elsewhere. I wrote a web story just detailing the counties, who's in effect, and that's on our website, cnycentral.com. I'll have your snowfall forecast in a minute. Your forecast in a flash, your fastcast through this afternoon. What's likely to happen is we'll have thickening clouds. And from east to west, you'll see precipitation developing. Obviously, that means those of you in Utica and Little Falls and Hamilton and Morrisville and Sherburne and Norwich will see, and Cooperstown and Oneonta, will see rain and elevation wintry mix first. And then by 3, 4 o'clock, it's moving towards the 81 corridor and eventually moves over the rest of central New York and the Finger Lakes and the North Country during the course either of this afternoon or tonight. Notice the temperatures are above freezing, at least for Syracuse, mid-30s. Overnight, going below freezing just by a little, but enough to get the snow to be sticking. And I actually think the best chances for the worst accumulations, as you'll see, is coming up tonight to start, but you'll see more in a sec. Again, light rain and light snow develops. Little to no accumulation during the day today, but you'll see there will be accumulating snow over a long period of time. So steadiest snow happens late tonight into Wednesday night, and still some more accumulating snow Thursday. Here's the thing. This is not a lake effect event, okay? So it's not like you're going to get 3-inch per hour snowfall rates. Most of the time, the snow is going to probably fall at the rate of a ½ inch, maybe an inch per hour during the steadiest snow. Now, that's nothing to sneeze at, and it does add up after a while, but this is a long duration event, okay? The plows will be out to have to clean it up. So if you don't touch the snow, as you'll see in a minute, you'll see how much snow we're going to get as a total, but it's a long duration event. Certainly something we certainly can handle, but again, it's certainly impactful anyway. Of course, the thing you need to know is accurate accumulations. It is a tough call, and as always, we will update the map, but for now, here's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that our map will show not much going on across central New York this morning, mostly cloudy, maybe an odd wintry mixed shower of little consequence. During the course of midday, here comes some of that rain and elevation snow backing in from east to west, and you'll see that. So it starts off with those Route 12 and 28 corridor customers and people and making its way westward. You can already see that the lower elevations, it's rain. Okay, anywhere between Utica, Syracuse, and that Route 5 and through 8 corridor. You go south of Route 5, and especially for the Route 20 corridor, the highest hills, it's either going to be a rain-snow mix or a wintry mix or just wet snow. Tough to accumulate too much before sunset, although a smidge is possible, as you'll see in a minute. Watch what happens overnight. All of this backs further westward, goes across the Finger Lakes, and you notice central New York is in a solid area of snow. This darker blue is indicating a steady period of snow. That's why I think late tonight through Wednesday is going to be your best chance for steadiest snow, and Wednesday night too. By 5 p.m., little to no accumulating snow is likely for the majority of the area. You get into the hill towns, Cazenovia, Hamilton, Fabius, Cincinnatus, McDonough, Norwich, 1 to 2 inches. Maybe 3 or more inches by Cooperstown and Oneonta. Snow, still steady Wednesday. Snow, still steady Wednesday night. And while there isn't as much Thursday, you notice the lighter white here, there are still some leftover lighter snow showers and flurries. But I think the meat and potatoes of the storm that you need to know about for the steadiest accumulations happen very late tonight through Wednesday and Wednesday night. So here we go. This is my total amounts. I'm getting out of the way so you'll be able to see it. By Thursday morning, I am expecting 6 to 12 inches of snow for a good chunk of central New York. Now remember, this is a range. Could be anywhere from as little as 6 to as much as 12. You can see some spots with more.